Friends, today we are decoding one of the most talked about metrics, Ebitda. So what is it? Why do analysts love it so much? And what are the traps people fall into when relying on it too much? So let's break it down and simply understand how in the real world analysts use this number Ebitda and analyze this. So first, let's decode Ebitda. What Ebitda stands for? Friends, Ebitda stands for earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization expenses. It's a proxy for the company's core operating performance. So think of it like this. You're removing the effect of interest because it's a capital structure level expenses. 2. Taxes, because the tax rates differ across geographies. 3. Depreciation and amortization expenses, because non-cash accounting charges distort comparability of the companies sometimes. So what you are left with is the cleaner look at how good the company is at the operation level. Now, why analysts use Ebitda? Friends, analysts love Ebitda for the few reasons. 1. It's a good tool for comparing companies across the different industries and geographies. 2. It strips away financing and tax effect, so you can focus on business fundamentals. 3. It is commonly used in the valuation multiples like EV to EBITDA multiple, especially in case of M&A and private equity deals. But here is a catch. Ebitda is not a cash flow number. It ignores capex, working capital charges and interest cost, which can be massive. So if you're using Ebitda in isolation, you are only getting half of the pictures of company's performance. Friends, now let's understand with an example. Let's say you are analyzing two companies. One company has low Ebitda margin but very low capex and debt. And another company has fleshy Ebitda, but at the same time it burns more cash and keep raising debt. Which company is healthier? Obviously company A. So that's why smart analysts adjust Ebitda by looking at the Ebitda margins, 2. Comparing year-on-year growth of Ebitda, also checking how much of Ebitda actually convert into cash flows. Also, Ebitda is often adjusted for non-recurring items. Friends, be careful about what non-recurring items are or what management calls as a one-time item. You have to understand those items and see the impact of it on the Ebitda. So friends, to sum up, Ebitda is a great starting point but not the final answer. Use it to compare core profitability, but always pair it with the actual cash flows and debt levels. Friends, real financial analysis is about asking what is behind the numbers, not just quoting the numbers. And guys, you should practice more and more on Ebitda bridges, margin analysis, bringing models. These things will help you to understand better companies' financials and fundamentals. Friends, I hope this video will help you to clarify Ebitda. If you like the video, do share with your finance curious friends so that we can share with you more content like this. See you in the next video.